Cute. Papa. Papa. No, Papa. 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 So, samahan nyo ko ngayon sa ating school day, guys. Kaya, let's go. So, dadalhin natin, guys, yung motor na setup na natin. Oh. Hindi pa naman fully, pero at least okay na. Nagbihis tayo, guys, kasi bawal na pala mag kulay itim. So, kailangan puti na, kaya buti na lang nandito tayo sa lula ko at may puti siya. Kaya tara, baka malate pa tayo, guys.
Pwede magulong mo. Yung mag-icon mo, pwede mo
So here guys, we are here at Iliana Bayview College. Say hi sa guys.
Hindi man, kaya ka naman mag-reapas ba?
Naon ka sa kasulat eh.
Uy!
Asa nakatawa? Asa natawa na yung sinulat?
Oh, iti na na.
Pike na eh.
Matulog ba?
Iliana Bayview College.
Okay, so that will be all for this morning. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
So, what's up, guys? Tapos na yung klase, guys. Until 12 lang yung klase natin. Half day lang tayo, guys. So, ayun, guys, lunch break. May kantang dito, guys. Balat ng baka, balbakwa, at beef. Ma. Guys, at kakatapos na natin kumain at ngayon pupunta tayo ng gym tayo. Nagbihisan tayo ng ganito, guys, at ito pa rin yung susuotin natin kasi wala tayong, may short naman tayo, kaya doon na siguro tayo magbibihis at back workout lang man tayo at chill lang na buhat kasi bago pa tayo nakabalik. Kaya samahan niyo akong mag-gym tayo, guys. Going sa gym. Umuulan, guys, pero okay lang. Let's go. So dito na tayo sa gym, guys. Buhat lang tayo saglit.
usap. Nami karon sa Badimax, man yung mga gahe ni sa Badimax.
Kay lubot.
Mga swatay ni sila guys. Swatay ara. Matik. Ara. Wara kayo. So, orang minga pa kita karon kay time check 1:40 kapin. PM. Bari ko idol. So, muna mo ang quick tour. Badimax. Quick tour siya, quick tour. Tara. Muna mo instructor, Rimon. Muna kuyaw kayo. Idol. Pinagayan ng instructor sa Badimax since 2007 pa na siya.
Okay mga idol, Jimo, Prahilte.
Prahilte. Ay, musik inom niya. Lovers, oh. Mga lovers sila. Matik yung matik. Kung saan yung turnover sa Tagiya, kaya Tagiya nalita na. Idol, Raymond. Atay.
So what's up guys? Ayun at nandito tayo sa school ng mga ko. Yung mga homework ko guys. Kagagaling natin sa gym at ayun nag-snack tayo ng biscuit. Pumili kami ng itlog. Update muna natin si Ira if gising na ba sila. Kaya guys, let's go. Ayan guys. Say hi to the vlog. Where is baby Oli again? Why, what happened? Why, what happened? Show me.
I clean every 5 minutes. I'm not joking you. Every 5 minutes I clean.
And she make mess again. What on earth? Olea!
Oh my gosh. And just look at her room. Look at her room. You know that I clean here? Oh, what happened?
Allah. Wow, your house there is really big.
Yeah. This is her room, but it's not. It's messy because she. Oh.
So she already have her own room?
Huh?
She already have her own room?
Yeah.
Wow. That's your room.
No.
Mama.
And then it's just.
Wow, it's really nice. You really clean it, no? Heater. It's getting cold.
It's big.
It's really huge. Wow. You really have your own like living room, kitchen, like it's really proper, it's really nice. It's big.
Table.
So that is where you're supposed to eat. Wow. That's really good.
And here's the other bathroom with shower.
Wow, your bathroom is too. That's really perfect for you. It's really nice. There's a lot of doors. So, wait lang guys ha. Usap muna kami guys. Bye-bye.
So clingy, I don't even know. And on
Hi! Hi baby! Olea! Papa! 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 Uy! Papa! Papa, cute. Papa. Papa. No, Papa. 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 No, Papa. Papa.